in Belgium.
It all started, I had an unfortunate incident knowing him. and I met his, he stays in Penang, Malaysia, my second home. So I visited him in Belgium twice, and he was there. We just came out idea, why don't you all travel to Penang? And that's how it got. Most of the classic cars here are British and German cars, except we have one Fiat Italian car.
He talked us into this thing.
We did it what he asked. So it took how many years?
Spreading the word from friends to friends.
Yes.
So there's not one club and not another, just friends. You know, you might be interesting to do this thing. Yes, you got a friend you know, he is interested. Okay, yes. He has got a good, reliable car, he wants to come. Okay.
Start again.
Johan from Belgium. We are traveling around starting a tour in Malaysia. I brought a Mustang from 1966. It's one of the first models. It has been built since 64. There's a 6-cylinder. It's a cabriolet, as you can see. So today is our first day to start here, to travel around Malaysia. So I'm going to find a way out now myself some years ago from another Belgian guy who kept it for over 20 years. Take care because I'm not used to drive left side. We drive at the right side of the road.
Ah oui, alors ça c'est dit.
Vente, c'est toi. Ouais.
There are 26 cars, 10 German, and one from France, and the rest are from Belgium. This is one of those what you call a high-end kind of tour
Premium
package,
tourist,
and these are very senior people, and of course they have time and the resources to travel around. They will ship their own cars and all that, and you have to share package to them, like which hotel they're going to stay and all that.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.